Welcome back to Old Man Garage. Today, I've got 3 luxury trucks that most people scroll right past, and that's exactly why smart buyers keep stealing them for used car prices. The first one is going to make Cadillac fans grin. The second will have Ford owners scratching their heads. But the last truck, let's just say it's the kind of pickup that makes mechanics smile and dealerships mysteriously change the subject. Meanwhile, people are signing 5, 6, even 7-year loans on shiny new trucks loaded with giant touchscreens, 57 driving modes, and enough warning lights to look like a Christmas tree before they even hit 100,000 miles. Congratulations! You financed an iPad with a truck attached to it. I've spent more than 2 decades around vehicles that people actually drive, repair, tow with, abuse, and somehow expect to survive. No sponsorships, no brand loyalty, no corporate script, just real-world experience from seeing what breaks and what stubbornly refuses to die. Today, I'm showing you 3 luxury pickups that combine premium interiors, proven V8 powertrains, and the kind of long-term reliability that makes your wallet breathe a sigh of relief. And trust me, if you think the first truck is a bargain, wait until you see what I've saved for the end. Number 3, 2007 to 2013, Cadillac Escalade EXT. Let's kick things off with a truck that proves one simple rule about the used market. Sometimes people see the badge, assume it's going to bankrupt them, and walk away faster than someone spotting a check engine light 5 minutes after buying a used German sedan. That's exactly why the Cadillac Escalade EXT, especially the 2007 through 2013 models, has quietly become one of the biggest luxury truck bargains in America. A while back, a retired electrician stopped by my shop looking for advice. Nice guy. He'd finally reached the point in life where he wanted to stop bouncing around inside an old work truck like popcorn in a microwave. He wanted something comfortable enough for road trips with his wife, luxurious enough to enjoy retirement, but still capable of hauling lumber on weekends because, let's be honest, retirees somehow always end up building another deck. He had about $15,000 to spend and was laser-focused on a newer half-ton pickup. Nice truck. Nice payment, too, if your hobby is sending money to the bank every month. Before he signed the paperwork, he asked me one question. What would you buy? I pulled up listings nearby and found a 2008 Cadillac Escalade EXT with fewer than 90,000 miles, loaded with heated leather seats, Bose sound system, navigation, power everything, and enough chrome to reflect sunlight into the next county. His first reaction? You've got to be kidding. His second reaction after driving it? Why is nobody buying these? Exactly. Because people shop with their eyes instead of their calculators. Here's what makes this truck special. Underneath all the Cadillac luxury, fancy stitching, and enough wood trim to make your grandfather nod in approval, sits one of General Motors' best full-size truck platforms ever built. The 6.2-liter naturally aspirated Vortec V8 isn't trying to impress anyone with twin turbos, hybrid systems, or software updates every other Tuesday. It simply starts, runs, keeps running, then asks if you'd like another 200,000 miles. This is the same engine family that earned an outstanding reputation across multiple GM trucks and SUVs. Parts are everywhere, every independent mechanic knows the platform, and replacement components don't require taking out a second mortgage. Compare that with some newer luxury trucks where replacing one electronic module costs about the same as your first car did. Modern engineering can be incredible, until it decides your heated cup holder needs a firmware update. The paired 6-speed automatic transmission is another major advantage. GM spent years refining this gearbox across millions of vehicles, including Silverados, Tahoes, Yukons, and Suburbans. By the time it landed in the Escalade EXT, most of the early issues had already been sorted out. That matters, because proven usually beats complicated, every single time. Fuel economy? Let's be realistic. Nobody buys a full-size luxury V8 expecting Prius numbers. Expect roughly 13 miles per gallon in the city and around 18 miles per gallon on the highway, depending on how much your right foot enjoys making VE8 noises. If you're worried about fuel economy, this probably isn't your truck. If you're worried about replacing 2 turbochargers at 80,000 miles, now we're talking. The market still hasn't figured this truck out. Today, clean 2008 through 2010 Escalade EXTs can often be found between roughly $10,000 and $14,000. Meanwhile, newer luxury pickups with similar comfort routinely sell for well over $35,000, and many still haven't proven they'll survive half as long. That's the funny part. People will gladly spend another 25 grand just to get a bigger touchscreen that fingerprints itself every 30 seconds. Now, before you grab the first Escalade you find online, slow down. There are a few things you should inspect. First, check the midgate seals between the cab and cargo bed. Water intrusion isn't incredibly common, but neglected seals can eventually allow moisture inside. Second, crawl underneath and inspect the rear differential for leaks. Third, if the truck spent its life somewhere that believes salt belongs on roads instead of French fries, inspect the frame carefully for corrosion. Finally, pay attention during the test drive. If the magnetic ride control suspension feels unusually harsh or starts clunking over bumps, some of the electronic dampers may be nearing the end of their lives. They're not impossible to replace, but they're definitely worth using as a bargaining chip during negotiations. Who should buy this truck? Someone who wants luxury without luxury payments. Someone who occasionally tows a boat, camper, or utility trailer. Someone who appreciates V8s that solve problems instead of creating weekly appointments with the service department. Who should skip it? If you're towing massive commercial loads every week or absolutely need the newest technology, you'll probably be happier elsewhere. But if your goal is owning a comfortable luxury pickup that can realistically keep going well past 300,000 miles with proper maintenance, this Cadillac deserves way more attention than it's getting. And if you think this deal is impressive, don't get too comfortable, because the next truck might be the most overlooked luxury pickup Ford ever accidentally built. Number 2, 2006-2008 Lincoln Mark LT. If you've ever wanted an F-150 wearing a tuxedo instead of a flannel shirt, congratulations. You've just found one of the best-kept secrets in the used truck market. The Lincoln Mark LT, built from 2006 through 2008, is one of those vehicles people completely ignore simply because it wears the wrong badge at the wrong time. And that's exactly why it's such a bargain today. A couple of years ago, a woman who managed several rental properties came into the shop looking for a truck. She wasn't hauling bulldozers across Texas. She needed something to move appliances, furniture, landscaping supplies, and the occasional tenants. I swear it fit in my apartment sectional sofa. She had already convinced herself she needed a newer Ford F-150 Lariat. You know, because everybody else was buying one. I asked her one question. Do you care about what the neighbors think or what your bank account thinks? She laughed. Then I showed her a 2007 Lincoln Mark LT with around 70,000 miles. Leather seats, power adjustable everything, real wood trim, a ride smoother than airport jazz. And the best part? It cost thousands less than the equivalent F-150 sitting just a few rows away. She had never even heard of the truck. That's usually the first sign you're about to find a bargain. Less than a year later, she called me again. Not because something broke, because she wanted to thank me. Outside of regular maintenance, the truck hadn't asked for a single unexpected dollar. That's not luck, that's simplicity. Here's what most buyers don't realize. The Lincoln Mark LT isn't some complicated luxury experiment. Underneath the chrome grille and premium interior sits what is essentially an 11th generation Ford F-150, sharing one of the most familiar body-on-frame platforms in America. That means mechanics already know it. Parts stores already stock it. Salvage yards are full of donor vehicles, and almost every independent shop has worked on one before. That's a huge advantage over modern luxury trucks that require 3 software updates just to figure out why the seat heater suddenly thinks it's a Bluetooth speaker. Power comes from the famous 5.4-liter Triton V8. Now, before somebody starts typing angry comments, yes, this engine has a reputation. But here's the thing people conveniently forget. Most of its horror stories come from neglected maintenance, poor spark plug service, or owners who treated oil changes like optional gym memberships. Take care of it, and it'll take care of you. No twin turbos, no complicated hybrid batteries, no high-pressure direct injection systems trying to empty your wallet, just an old-school, naturally aspirated V8 that's been working across Ford trucks for years. The transmission is equally straightforward. It's not flashy. It doesn't have 10 gears. It doesn't need to. It shifts smoothly. Parts are inexpensive, and experienced mechanics know exactly how to service it. Fuel economy? Again, you're driving a full-size V8 luxury truck. Expect around 12 miles per gallon in the city and approximately 17 miles per gallon on the highway, depending on how enthusiastically you launch away from stoplights pretending you're late for a NASCAR qualifying session. Nobody buys this truck to save gas. They buy it because it saves something much more valuable. Repair bills. Market prices are almost funny. A clean 2007 or 2008 Mark LT with reasonable mileage often sells between $8,000 and $12,000. An equivalent Ford F-150 Lariat with similar equipment and mileage frequently commands several $1,000s more. For what? Mostly a different grill. It's like buying the exact same cheeseburger but paying extra because the wrapper has a different logo. Americans love branding, sometimes a little too much. Before buying one, there are a few important things to inspect. First, ask whether the spark plugs have already been replaced correctly. Early servicing on these engines can become expensive if neglected, so documentation matters. Second, listen carefully during a cold start. A noticeable ticking noise during the first few seconds may indicate worn exhaust manifold hardware or cam phaser wear on higher mileage examples. Neither issue automatically kills the deal, but both can help you negotiate a better price. Third, inspect the truck bed carefully. Some Lincoln-specific trim pieces are harder to source than ordinary F-150 components, so cosmetic damage may take more patience to repair. Finally, drive the truck long enough for the transmission to reach operating temperature. Make several normal accelerations along with a few stronger pulls. It should shift confidently without slipping or hesitation. Who should buy the Mark LT? Anyone who spends far more time commuting than towing heavy commercial equipment, anyone who appreciates comfort without paying luxury truck money, and anyone smart enough to realize that proven engineering usually ages a lot better than trendy technology. Who should pass? If you're regularly towing extremely heavy trailers every week, there are stronger options available. But for daily driving, weekend projects, road trips, hardware store runs, and everything in between, the Mark LT quietly delivers one of the best values in the used luxury truck market. And somehow, it still flies under almost everyone's radar. But don't click away yet, because if you think Cadillac and Lincoln were hidden gems, the final truck is the one mechanics quietly recommend when it's their own money on the line. And trust me, there's a very good reason for that. Number 1, 2007-2013 Toyota Tundra Limited CrewMax. All right, if you've made it this far, congratulations. You've officially avoided at least 3 dealership sales pitches and approximately 400 limited-time offers that somehow never expire. Now it's time for the truck I've probably recommended more than any other full-size pickup over the last decade, the Toyota Tundra Limited CrewMax, especially the 2007 through 2013 models. And honestly, if reliability were a professional sport, this truck would have retired years ago with multiple championships and a statue outside the stadium. A few winters ago, a husband and wife came into the shop after reaching their breaking point. They owned a relatively modern SUV that looked fantastic in the driveway. Unfortunately, it spent almost as much time parked inside the repair shop. Between transmission issues, electrical gremlins, warning lights that came on for absolutely no reason, and repair bills that arrived faster than pizza delivery, they were done. They told me they were ready to finance a brand new pickup. I asked them to slow down. Not because new trucks are bad, because their wallets had already suffered enough emotional damage. Instead, I pointed them toward a 2008 Toyota Tundra Limited CrewMax with just under 120,000 miles. At first, they thought I was crazy. That's a 15-year-old truck. Exactly. A 15-year-old truck that was still running better than vehicles 1/3 its age. They bought it. Fast forward several years. They've added tens of thousands of miles. Family vacations, snowstorms, camping trips, hardware store runs, weekend towing, daily commuting, outside of normal maintenance. The truck has asked for little more than routine service items. That's not magic. That's what happens when engineers prioritize durability before adding 12 different ambient lighting colors. Here's why this generation earned such a legendary reputation. Under the hood sits Toyota's 5.7-liter I-Force naturally aspirated V8. No turbochargers, no complicated boost systems, no intercoolers, no expensive high-pressure plumbing waiting to surprise you right after the warranty expires. Just displacement, compression, fuel, spark, and enough reliability to make accountants cry because you'll stop making repair payments. This engine uses a timing chain instead of a timing belt, reducing one of the major long-term maintenance concerns found on many older vehicles. The paired 6-speed automatic transmission is equally impressive. Toyota spent years refining this drivetrain for real-world abuse. Construction crews, farmers, contractors, hunters, families, people who actually use trucks, not just park them outside expensive coffee shops where the toughest terrain they faced was a speed bump. Inside, the limited trim still feels surprisingly upscale today. Heated leather seats, premium JBL audio, dual-zone climate control, power-adjustable seating, massive rear passenger space. Seriously, adults can actually sit in the back without negotiating for legroom like they're boarding an economy flight. Fuel economy? Again, physics still exists. Expect around 13 miles per gallon around town and roughly 17 to 18 miles per gallon on the highway, depending on traffic, terrain, and whether you think every green light is the start of the Daytona 500. Could newer trucks squeeze out a couple more miles per gallon? Sure. They can also squeeze several thousand more dollars out of your checking account when something electronic decides retirement sounds nice. This is where the numbers become almost unfair. Clean 2008 through 2010 Tundra Limited CrewMax trucks typically sell between $18,000 and $24,000, depending on mileage and condition. Compare that with many late-model luxury pickups sitting comfortably between $45,000 and $60,000. Are those newer trucks nicer? Absolutely. Are they twice as reliable? Not even close. That's the difference. You're paying for technology. The Tundra was engineered to survive. Before buying one, though, don't skip your homework. First, ask for complete maintenance records. Oil changes performed consistently matter far more than polished paint. I'd gladly pay a little more for a truck with documented service history than save $1,000 buying one with mystery maintenance. Second, inspect the frame thoroughly, especially if the truck spent time in northern states where winter road salt likes to attack steel with the enthusiasm of a toddler attacking birthday cake. Toyota addressed earlier frame corrosion concerns on older generations, but every used truck deserves a careful inspection underneath. Third, check both the rear differential and transfer case for leaks if you're shopping for a four-wheel drive model. Minor seepage isn't uncommon on higher mileage trucks, but it's always better to know before negotiating. Finally, take a proper test drive. Let the transmission warm up. Accelerate normally, accelerate aggressively. Listen for unusual noises. Feel for smooth gear changes. A healthy Tundra should feel remarkably solid, even with well over 100,000 miles. Who should buy this truck? Families who need real truck capability without living at the repair shop. Outdoor enthusiasts, contractors, weekend adventurers. Anyone planning to keep a vehicle for 10 years instead of trading it in every time the cup holders get redesigned. Who should look elsewhere? If you're towing extremely heavy commercial equipment every single day, you might benefit from a heavy-duty diesel platform. But for the overwhelming majority of truck owners, this Tundra is about as close as you'll get to buying peace of mind on four wheels. And that's exactly why mechanics love them. Not because they're exciting, not because they're flashy, because they simply refuse to quit. So there you have it. 3 luxury trucks that the used market still hasn't priced correctly. The Toyota Tundra Limited CrewMax delivers one of the toughest, naturally aspirated V8s ever built, wrapped inside a truck you can comfortably drive every day. The Cadillac Escalade EXT gives you genuine luxury, serious capability, and proven GM engineering for the price of an economy car with leather seats glued into it. And the Lincoln Mark LT quietly proves that sometimes the smartest truck purchase is the one nobody else is paying attention to. The funny thing is, while thousands of buyers are lining up to finance brand new trucks loaded with gadgets they'll stop using after 2 weeks, these older pickups are quietly stacking miles, hauling trailers, towing boats, and making their owners wonder why everyone else keeps overcomplicating things. Sometimes the best truck isn't the newest one. It's the one that's already proven itself. If you enjoyed today's list, subscribe to Old Man Garage, because every week we separate the real bargains from the overpriced headaches before they empty your wallet. Hit that like button if this video saved you from making an expensive mistake, and let us know down in the comments. Which one would you park in your driveway tomorrow? The Cadillac, the Lincoln, or the legendary Toyota? Until next time. Take care of your truck, change your oil on time, ignore anyone who says touchscreens make engines last longer, and we'll see you in the next one.